The Auto-Vox Wireless Backup Camera offers a robust dual-antenna system that ensures a stable and clear connection, making it ideal for large vehicles such as RVs and trailers. Its innovative magnetic installation allows for quick and secure attachment to metal surfaces and includes an adhesive option for non-metal surfaces, offering versatility across different vehicle types. The large 7.2-inch split-screen monitor provides a high-definition view that minimizes distortion and is equipped with night vision for clear visibility in low-light conditions. With built-in DVR capabilities, this camera system records your journeys in high quality, offering both security and the chance to revisit your travel experiences. The camera's long-lasting battery can support over 15 hours of operation on a single charge and features an auto-off timer to conserve power. Designed with an IP69K waterproof rating, it is built to withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring consistent performance during outdoor adventures.